24 hours is never enough for work, for friends, for yourself. Introducing the HTC Titan. With the largest screen of any Windows phone, it's the phone that truly lets you work big and play big. When you're always short of time, what grander way to make the most of work time, friend time, family time, and me time? No more squinting at small screens for you. The big 4.7-inch screen provides over 60% more viewing area than many leading smartphones and makes viewing easy and pleasurable wherever you are. And while the HTC Titan screen looks big, its ultra-slim 9.9mm unibody contour design makes it fit perfectly in your hand or in your pockets. It's unlike anything you've ever held before. The big screen is great for web browsing and for those times when you're on the way to a client meeting and want to review the latest update to your presentation. With the big screen, you can view your work documents comfortably without straining your eyes. Windows Phone also has mobile versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint built in, so you can easily review or edit documents on the go. And if you've ever found it difficult typing on a small touchscreen phone, the large keyboard will make those challenges a thing of the past. With the HTC Titan, you really can get more work done efficiently on a mobile phone. And with such a big screen, entertainment comes to life so you can enjoy it whenever, wherever. On the way home from work, kick back a bit and be entertained. Whether your pleasure is blockbuster movies, live games, or great music, the HTC Titan's big screen and 5.1 surround sound takes the experience to new levels. HTC Titan.